This is Juicy Patty, don't mess it up.
Oh shit, now I recognize where we are. That's the real deal.
Are you gonna have a pot? Quite a pot? Chef Lane. Chef Lane.
Chef Lane.
Yeah, Chef Lane from London.
Do you want to be on camera?
Yes, Chef Lane. Yes, Cillian. And my friends, come and see. Yeah, we're in the kitchen. Yeah, here we go. We don't play. Look at our fish. We got chicken. This is onion. Jamaican. Scotch bonnet, thyme, scallion, and that's it about it. And I'm gonna stop eat it soon. And that's fruits. This is June plum, mango. This is my vinegar. And that's rum. But we're not cooking with rum.
We're drinking.
This is for the alcoholics.
Oh yes, we have a few of those.
Smells so good. This is the gravy, the scabeach for our fish, the one we showed earlier by Chef Elaine.
Thank you.
It's a family secret. Okay. Robert's gonna be letting on the secret, but if he tells you, I might have to kill him. What are you talking about? My job is on. Okay, so you want someone to serve it? Oh, I hate serving food. No, dear. You like, okay.
Oh yeah.
Guys stuff. Like when Ken would come, or you guys do the guy stuff. So awesome, you know what I mean, Rob?
Oh yes.
Get up on today's one. It's all good.
That's our breadfruit.
Yeah.
Get it prepared.
The breadfruit. That's enough.
Yeah.
Party time, huh? Yeah, it's really beautiful. You see, once you present it like that, that's our dish.
You're gonna put one on this room over here, but I decided to put it on, right? See, one over here.
You could do the same thing here.
Yeah, I can just come out right here and put in a kitchenette and rent over.
Robert, video you coming off the tree.
Good. Now this is some chicken foot soup. We got some proper chicken. It's a proper chicken foot hanging out right there. Yep, there it is. Chicken foot.
Eat on jerk chicken, jerk seasoning, Scotch bonnet pepper additional.
Okay. All these spices and browning and soy sauce.
Here's the gloves. Here's
You're
the
ready
gloves.
to be
Eat and jerk seasoning and
Oh man, now that's how you do it. Rubbing it in
yes, rub
there.
it in.
All that barbecue.
All that spice and flavor.
Yes, baby? You want more
Only
milk?
the best.
You want more milk?
Right here, what do you need?
You finished?
Here, I'll take it.
Give mommy. Are you finished? Okay. We coming, okay?
Nice. And this.
That's going to be French fried chicken later.
Oh, this is going to be the French fry.
French
oh,
fry,
nice.
yeah.
That'll be good.
These are the jerk. See?
It smells so good.
Spices, easy. Okay.
One night to cut the jack into, you know, I get one night to cut the jack and I'll fry the big jack. So. Let's try fish.
That is some real nice.
Alright.
Oh, yeah.
Having entertainment.
Oh yeah. Just rocking out.
That's the essence right there. We got our Scotch bonnets, our thyme, and our scallion. We got the dragon.
It helps right in the middle of the almond tree.
Oh, I know. That's what's their name again? Bob and Bob and
Dion.
Dion. They have anniversary this weekend.
That's Bob's son.
Have to be on camera.
You don't have me on camera because I'm camera shy.
That's okay.
So-
I won't do that to you. I just want to show the food.
Yes.
Octopus on there. Let's try a piece of that.
Yeah, man, try the octopus, man.
Oh, nice. There it is.
So she says best fish? Funny boy. Fisherman, they love it. They don't sell them, you know. Says the best fish? Yeah. Best fish you talk about? That's one of the best for me, funny boy.
Man, that looks nice. Look at that white meat.
Yes.
It's some beautiful meat.
Coney butt.
You hit me?
Oh, look at that.
Oh my God.
That's a thing
the
of,
pussy.
those are lobsters. Oh, shit. You got an octopus too?
God.
Oh, man.
Take off the squid and Sunday and trip on the fire.
Oh my God.
Sunday, take off the squid, trip on the
Not
fire.
for today, that's for tomorrow. We have more squid.
I like that part where you just sit down there and kick it down there.
Yeah, man, that's cool.
That's what I'm talking
That's a technique.
Oh, mommy, you're attracted to that too, mom?
Master chef over here. Ashley.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they went to pick up. Yeah, I think they went to pick up.
So Bob left up on the guy left too, because the guy was going to pick up.
They get the sweet areas.
Until I finish the goat, look at the goat. Leave it until I finish it.
Oh, man, I missed it, huh?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I blew it.
Yes, you went away.
Too much socializing.
Yeah, well, that's good.
Yeah.
No problem.
This is very familiar.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is very familiar. I watched the last video 100 times.
Okay.
Now this is the same, only a little bit
Yeah.
different. You know what has to happen this time? I have to get a cup with lots of meat in it.
No problem, no problem, no problem.
Last time they're giving me a hard time. It's like, you get nothing in your soup.
Who said that?
The comments on the channel.
Okay, okay.
They're like, the man's got nothing but gravy in his soup.
I'm cutting up green bananas.
Our second master chef, Keith,
Yes.
is making in the Mannish water.
Mannish water.
Just like last time.
Yes, and putting green bananas.
Yep.
Yep. Soup is soon ready.
With the peel this time.
Yes. Don't peel off everything. Get more iron.
Yeah.
You have more iron this time.
More iron, yeah.
Yes.
Cool.
Can't wrong. Cannot go wrong.
Almost the same spot as last time.
Almost.
Almost. That was right over here.
Yes, right.
That was right over there.
Almost the same spot.
Yep, almost the same spot. Same yard.
Same yard. Don't change.
Yep.
Don't change a bit.
Yes.
Chef Elaine's Kentucky chicken. Did you hear? Kentucky, not Kentucky. And this is the finish. Come on, Robert. Uncle Gigi. If not, listen. This is the finished product. It's called Kentucky. Chef Elaine's Kentucky chicken.
I like it.
All right.
Rolling. French fried chicken.
You don't have to drink it, man. You drink no drink sometimes.
Thank you.
Martinon cup.
I know me.
It's a new moment of truth. Nice one. Thank you, guys. Excellent. Now this time, much better. Banana. Dumpling. Irish potato. The whole bit.
Rice and peas. The plate and
Give me some green banana.
Add it in.
What do you say? Butter? Sausage? Any piece of yam?
Robert, yeah, sure.
Yeah, this alright, Robert?
Yes, thank you.
But you know, brother, I'll make it and you for first go to the US and get the recipe. So when you know, you make them now and you can sell them now.
I want to get you singing.
Okay. This is my fish. Yeah, Jamaican style. This is the steamed fish.
thank you, dear.
Brown stew.
Brown stew.
When it's finished, I'm gonna make it come and record it again.
Okay, yeah, definitely, definitely, yeah. Yeah, I like it.
Put like the all-purpose, the all-purpose mix. Magic. No, the magic.
It look like chicken, right?
It looks a lot like chicken, but you can tell it's not chicken.
Yeah. Careful.
Spicy, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I can see the peppers in there. Right? Nice.
No, I need a pepper. There's no pepper here?
Oh, it's not black pepper? That's not black pepper?
No.
Pimento?
That is red chap there and pimento.
Oh, okay, pimento.
And the season.
Okay.
See the black pepper, oh, I need that. Cynthia, do me a favor, pass me this one, the black pepper. This one, yeah, thank you very much. You have to like put a lot of, this is the key ingredient to this, a lot of black pepper.
You gotta love black pepper.
This is the original, it smells really good with the black pepper.
Oh, yeah.
If you don't have that black pepper, it's like a key thing.
You're missing out a little
Yeah,
bit.
you know, Pam? Yeah, I without black pepper is no. So it's like fold it in. It's practically done. I just have to turn it off and fold it in because you don't want to mash it out too much.
Yeah,
You know what I mean? It's not
I
supposed
do.
to mash.
Yeah, it looks like it's pretty much done there.
This one was a little bit overcooked. Yeah.
He was a weaver of sound.